if you're experimenting with the CSS of any of the web pages using the web inspector of the web browser, then how will you add a new rule which will be having different values, and so that you can just try them and see if the new values look any better? Well, you just have to right click on this web inspector part wherein all the CSS are written, and just click on add new rule. Once you have written that, it will select the class which is selected in the left side, and just press enter and start writing your code. So here I think that line height is way too less, so I want to increase the line height. Let's say it can be 20 pixels, and you can just see if this looks good. Alternatively, what I can do is the line height has to be consistent with all the other line heights, so we'll see what is the line height of this particular content piece. And as I can see, the line height is 1.7 em, so we can just keep it 1.7 em. Yeah, so this looks way better than before. And I also wanted to, let's say, make changes of this submitted. So here we have this div class submitted, and if I will create a new rule here, add new rule, it has selected the class submitted. So just press enter and create a margin. We're keeping it 5. Now if you will see here, these don't have any gap at all, while they should be having some gap at least. And just trying to add a new rule again here, because the changes which are done here will stick to this particular tab, but if you want to make some changes here, then you have to do it again. So submit it, and then again margin. So we want top down to be 10 margins, 10 pixels, while left and right has to be 0 pixels. And I think this basically creates a good gap between the title and the content of the post. So yeah, we are good to go. Or we can just try with 8. Sure, 8 is okay, not too much, not too less. So it's pretty decent margin. So this is how you play around with the web inspector, and you can make changes on the web page which will not be permanent, which are just for experimenting with new rules, or you can just try changing the values of the existing rules as well. Thanks a lot for watching our tutorial. In case you liked it, please leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.